An empty-calorie diet that I often see people having is a bagel with cream cheese or a muffin for breakfast, a sandwich with chips or cookies for lunch, with soda or iced tea, or fast food, pretzels, cookies, chips, or chocolate for a snack, and meat, starch, and if we're lucky, a vegetable for dinner, topped off with ice cream, cookies, chips, or popcorn for an evening snack. Look at the world around us. Foods that are empty calories should be eaten in small amounts. Enjoy tasty foods that have some nutritional value for meals and snacks. Food doesn't have to be a lot of work either. You don't even have to cook. Just making simple changes in choices can make a lot of difference in both your weight and your health. It's a matter of just caring and understanding food to make healthier choices, which the body prefers. You can change a rigatoni alla vodka sauce dish, which is about 2,000 calories of just artery-clogging fat and white flour, to a pasta dish with shrimp, chicken, broccoli or sun-dried tomatoes in a garlic and oil or a marinara sauce. Instead of using a big burger, use a smaller burger and put pickles on it, and lettuce and tomato with red onion, a baked potato instead of French fries. Instead of your standard potato salad, macaroni salad, and coleslaw, which is mostly empty calories except for the cabbage and the coleslaw, choose a potato or pasta salad with broccoli, peppers, carrots, and tomatoes in oil instead of mayo. It is healthier and looks and tastes delicious. Better breakfast ideas. Instead of a bagel with cream cheese or butter for 600 calories, you can scoop out the bagel and save 200 calories. And have a scrambled egg or egg whites to give it some protein. Or use a very small amount of low-fat cream cheese and add lox for protein. Try egg whites on rye or whole wheat with ketchup for only 275 calories. A great substitute for a bagel with cream cheese. At home, try a sandwich round for 100 calories and add 2 wedges of a light soft cream cheese for 35 calories each, for a total of only 170 calories. You could microwave a scrambled egg. Add vegetables such as leafy greens, tomatoes, onions, red peppers, or mushrooms. You can use a whole wheat English muffin, or 2 slices of 40-calorie light bread, or a sandwich round, with either 2 slices of cheese or turkey sausage, 1 egg or egg whites, with 1 slice of lean ham, Canadian bacon, or you can just spread some hummus or a small amount of peanut butter for a quick breakfast. Salads can be quick and delicious. Just take some dark leafy greens and add grated carrots, fresh or jarred red peppers, cranberries, olives, or you can defrost some frozen vegetables. Add fruits, raisins, sunflower seeds, or nuts, eggs, beans, cheese, or lean meats. And there are many choices of low-fat dressings. Now that's a salad, and it took seconds. A simple way to change eating habits. Let's say you like a bologna sandwich, which is not the most healthiest thing, with cheese on white bread with mayo, for 700 calories. Just by putting 1 slice of bologna back, you just saved 100 calories, and you still had a bologna sandwich. You can change the mayo to mustard and save another 100 calories, and you still had a bologna sandwich. You can change to whole wheat bread for more fiber and nutrition. And you still had a bologna sandwich. Add lettuce and tomatoes for added nutrition. Even better, use chicken, turkey, or lean ham, which are lower in fat and calories and higher in protein. All these simple ingredients can be added to your sandwich for more flavor and nutrition. All are less than 25 calories. Add low-fat dressings for more flavor. Be creative. When you understand food, it's simple to add nutrition and flavor to your life. You can easily change foods from empty calories to healthier calories. And you don't even have to cook. It's all about choices.
Go to onoffdieting.com, free video session 6, for a free printable download of simple suggestions to improve nutrition. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe so I can help you with your weight loss journey. And share with your family and friends to teach everyone weight education. You can get a complete, free video series on weight loss and nutrition and emotional eating on the website onoffdieting.com.